Today we're going to discuss how to remove a die. Sometimes we have dies that are stuck. This is a very simple procedure that I will show you how to do. The thing that we're going to do is remove the back panel of the machine and start to remove the die. Most of our dies are attached by number 8 Allen bolts. Right here you use a number 8 Allen wrench to remove the die. So I will show you how to do that. Put the wrench in the screw and turn, and you loosen the bolt. Remove bolt. Same thing, other side. At this point, you want to hold up the die here, push up on the die, and pull out at the same time. Then the die will fall down. At this point, you can lean the die backwards and pull it out. At this point, we're going to separate the dies and open them up. And you do that by grabbing the top half of the die while holding the bottom and lifting straight up. As you can see, there is something definitely wrong with this die. It is very dirty. That means that this is an area where we are creating contamination. At this point, I will clean the die. You always want to use a stainless steel cart to clean dies. You don't want to do that on top of a bowl. We don't want particulate to fall inside of a bowl, so we use a stainless steel cart. The first thing I'm going to do is clean the die. I will use these anti-static rags that we use in production so that they don't cause any contamination. Alcohol. At this point, we want to make sure that the die is free and clear and is moving up and down freely, that nothing is stuck. At this point, the die is clean and we're going to reassemble the die. Usually when you put the top half on top of the die, there is a procedure. And that procedure is to grab the two bearings and push them up and put the die over it. Let it go down. This ensures that the bearings are all the way up. The next thing we're going to do is take the die by the front and the back, support it, lift it up, put it inside the die on an angle, tilt it forward, and push it forward. Once you get it to this point, you want to get down to the level of the die, and inside the die, you will see this flange down at the bottom, right there. You lift the die so it goes in, and you push it so that it is over the flange, and then you push the die all the way forward until you hear the metal touch. When it's touching the metal, you keep some forward pressure on the die. You install the bolt and you turn the bolt to get it tight, always keeping pressure on the die. Put pressure on the die, you take the Allen wrench, put it into the screw, and you can tighten. Repeat on the other bolt. Usually when you change a die, the first thing that you need to do when you run production is to check the part that's coming in and out of the dies to make sure that there is no scraping, that the part came into the die well and it left the die. Thank you.